South Africa's ruling party, the African National Congress, defended a controversial decision to allow the broadcast on television on Tuesday of a video of an unsmiling Nelson Mandela looking frail, pallid and uncomfortable. The party insisted that the visit to Mandela's home was not a public stunt. Robert Soy now reports.
Most South Africans were angry, terming the visit as exploitative and invasion of Madiba's privacy. The video of Madiba shows him seated upright on the couch next to the ANC party officials, unsmiling with his legs covered in a blanket. People took photographs of him using flashes, despite South African and international media being well versed on the rule never to use flash photography with Mandela, whose eyes are said to be highly sensitive to bright light after years of working in a limestone quarry when imprisoned on Robben Island.
It was wrong because they should have make it private for them so that the people cannot see what's going on with him, and more respectful for him so that she can be respected, and because she's well known.
He was just standing there, sitting there still and not even moving. He could only move his head, he couldn't even actually smile. So it just shows that there's just so much pain that's going on with him, and it's just I don't know, it's some campaign that the ANC is trying to put out, which is not good.
ANC officials came out defending the video, insisting it was an effort to keep South Africa and the world informed on Mandela's condition.
We visit Madiba all the time. It was not the first time that we visited Madiba. We always visit Madiba. It was not the first time, by the way, the president visited Madiba. The president did visit Madiba at hospital. Was it an election campaign? It doesn't make any sense. So the ANC leadership did visit Madiba, and the only reason was to see how he is doing. And because we are Madiba's children, so we went there to see how our elder statesman is doing. We found him doing well, and we were happy. But we wanted to share his doing well with the nation, with the continent, and with the world.
Mandela's health has been a topic of concern of late, with the veteran's lung problems recurring. He has been in and out of hospital for the past few months. Robert Soy, CCTV.